Hey everyone, so it's been a crazy couple of months with my bZ4X. I haven't been able to put out many videos because the damage that I incurred from rocks being thrown at my car. So I've talked a little bit about it in previous videos, but this video I'm going to show you the damage to the vehicle, the repair process, and as I'm going through this, comment below what you think the repair costs, the total was. And at the end of this video, I'll go over how much everything costs and all of that and what insurance had to go through. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet, but let's get into this video. So early in July, my wife and I were headed home from lunch on this backcountry road. You could see corn and soybean fields. And as I play this video, you will see us come up to a tractor on the right side. As we got closer, we could see the mower implement kicking up rocks and debris. Well, by this point it was too late, so there was nothing I could do. So as we passed by, the car just gets plastered with rocks. So I get out of the car and inspect what damage there was, and I could tell there was a lot of paint chips and scrapes and even some gashes in the plastic. So as you can see in these photos, this is the passenger side headlight that had a gash in the plastic. You can see this is the front top of the bumper near where the hood is. You can see that gash. You can see this scrape here by the Toyota emblem. This is part of the front bumper. Here's a photo of the tractor and where the mowing implement was. You could definitely tell he was not all the way in the grass, and you can even see the debris behind him that was kicked up into the street. So here are some pictures that the collision center took for me. I am very thankful that they were able to grab these pictures so that I could tell what damage was done to the car. So this first photo is the hood and the front end disassembled. Along with the second photo, you could see more damage. There was even damage on the driver's side. There were paint chips. This is the front passenger side taken apart. You can see some of the paint damage there. So with the bZ4Xs, the plastic pieces are one-time use. So when they broke off the plastic above like the fender well here, that all had to be replaced with brand new parts. So that kind of delayed the repair a little bit, but not by much. They got this done within a couple weeks, so I was very happy about that. This next photo shows the passenger side and all of the rock chips and all of the paint repair they had to do. Here's a second photo of that. Another photo from a different angle. This is the passenger side mirror. It had a little chip in it. Looks like 2 chips. And so they had to repaint that as well. This is the craziest part, is this front bumper. So this whole assembly basically had to be redone. You can see all of the paint repair they had to do. And then here is another angle of the side. So let's go ahead and finish this thing out. I'm going to show you the paperwork from the collision center. I'm not going to show you all the details of what they did because I don't know if I'm not supposed to show you that or not, but I'll show you the end and the total cost for everything. So yeah, we'll see how close everyone was in the comments section. So here's the paperwork, and again I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want to show you all the information, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of repairs that were done. And we'll zoom in here at the bottom. So parts total $18.28 and change. Labor $34.74. Refinishing $15.66. Materials and paint couple grand. So the total $9,690.69. So almost $10,000 to repair the paint damage. And it looks like it was almost $2,000 more than the original estimate, because I think they found more chips in the paint. So that's where we're at. I am ready to move forward. The car is finished. It looks great. They said to give it about 2 months for the paint to cure. So I can't wash the car. They said I can use soap and water, but I don't know what soap I would use, because if I use like Dawn dish soap, it's a degreaser. So I'm just going to wipe it down with water, especially the front, because the front bumper is a bug magnet. So anyway, I'm ready to move on. It's done. Hopefully won't encounter this anymore. For my next video, I'm going to do a trip to a Tesla supercharger that has the Magic Dock. I think it's a little over 100 miles away. So subscribe and hit the bell if you want. If you want to help support the channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments, let me know what you think. So yeah, thanks for watching.